Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to sell your designs on Canva. Let's get started. First, I've already logged into my Canva account. To begin, type Canva Creators into the search bar. From the search results, click on the first link that appears. Once the page loads, click the Become a Creator button. This will take you to the Canva Creators page where you'll need to select the type of content you want to create. Options may include templates, elements, or educational resources. For example, if I choose elements, I'll scroll down and click Register Interest. Here's an important step. Fill out the registration form carefully. Make sure all required information is accurate. Once you're done, click Submit. You'll then see a confirmation message saying, "Thank you for your expression of interest. We will be in touch when we are ready to onboard more creators." This means Canva might currently have a full roster of creators and could contact you later. If your application is approved, you can start uploading your designs. For instance, to sell a specific design, upload your file, set your price, and provide the necessary details. And that's it. That's how you can start selling your designs on Canva. Happy designing!